Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing US oil starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still believe that this is an uptrend, and really this move down looks like a trend also. It definitely has the shape of a trend. I think we have a wave A. I think that eventually it is going to go up and probably make a correction, which will probably go up to one of these two Fibonacci levels to make like a wave B, and then eventually probably back down for a C before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. Most likely all part of an ABC correction to this last move up. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly is where you can really see the shape of this trend. Looks like a 1, 2, 3. I think this is the ABC of 4 right there. I think that's just an irregular wave B for the 4. I think this last push down is the wave 5 of wave A. So if that's the case, that means that we're probably going to start to make an uptrend for some sort of an ABC of wave B. Probably right up to the 61 or the 50% Fibonacci level before it turns back down again to make a wave C, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think there's a good chance this is the end of a wave 5 of wave A and that this is like a wave 1. It looks like an ABC down like a wave 2. So I think this could be like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and I think there's a good chance that this is going to make its way up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which would be part of a wave A of the ABC of B that I was just showing on the weekly time frame. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour while keeping all that in mind. On the 4 hour time frame is now where you can see what I think is the uptrend over here. This is definitely an ABC down. Then we have what I think is definitely an uptrend right there. So that's probably a 1. This is probably a 2. This is probably a 1 also. And you will see that we made 3 waves down right there also. So it's probably like a 1 ABC and maybe like a 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we probably are in a wave 3. So I definitely would be looking for longs in an uptrend. We do have to be aware that it still hasn't really broken any structure to the upside, but looking at the pattern, it does seem like it is more likely to end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely got an uptrend right there, probably a 1. This is probably a little ABC of 2, and I bet that we're now in a wave 3, which is probably going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, probably end up looking something like that, telling me that I really should be looking for longs at the end of ABC corrections on these sort of time frames for the continuation of what most likely will be a part of a wave A of wave B, just like what I showed on the daily and on the weekly time frame. And we do have federal funds rate for the US dollar today, and I'm sure that is going to affect oil also. So definitely be aware of that. Big news event for sure. So risk management really does have to be your key word for today, which really it should always be anyways. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.